This lesson explains how to view service order details in the ServiceLive Pro Mobile App. From the dashboard, go into the appropriate section to locate your service order. In this example, we'll tap Active Orders. Tap to select the appropriate service order. Now we're inside an active service order. Several details are visible from this main screen. The service order number displays at the very top. In the blue bar, the customer's name and service location is displayed. The customer's phone number is shown under the blue bar. You can tap it to dial. If they have an alternate number, it is shown also. In the next row, you'll see the date and time of the appointment, the maximum price of the order, and a provider's name if a provider has already been assigned. Next is the status of the service order. Now we see a Tasks tab and a task displayed underneath. Tap to read the details. On the bottom row of this screen, you'll see a list of buttons. In this example, Check-in is grayed out because the provider is already on site and is checked in. Tapping Directions, then Service Location will allow you to use Google Maps for directions to the worksite. Tap Back to return. Update will give you options for updating the service order. For example, adding a note, reassigning a provider, or requesting a reschedule. Tap Back to return. Completion is used when the work is complete and you're ready to obtain signatures and close the order. Now let's tap View. Under View, you'll see more details of the service order. Depending on the status and type of order, the buttons shown here will vary. Some of the buttons in this example may not display in your service order, or your order may have additional buttons. Tap Scope to read details of the work to be completed. For an overview of the order, including instructions from the buyer, tap Overview. Appointment shows the service date, time, and schedule status. Buyer Reference lists optional custom reference fields which are used to track specific buyer information. Tap Trip to read information like your arrival to and departure from the worksite. Under the Attachments section, tap View Photos and Documents for reference material that has been uploaded. To read notes that have been entered by the buyer or provider, tap View Notes. For supporting details, such as the buyer's contact information, tap Support Details. Under the Legal section, you can read the buyer's terms and conditions. Tap back to return to the main service order screen. In this lesson, you learned how to view service order details in the ServiceLive Pro mobile app.